do parents send their children to parents?
Okay.
They don't want. They don't want. To be.
Don't ask your teacher.
They don't want their
Children
poor.
to be poor.
To be poor. They don't want their children to be poor.
Yes.
They don't want their children to be poor.
Yes. Ask him the same question.
Why do the parents?
Why did you put that? This is in general. So
Okay.
parents. All parents.
Do parents?
Yes.
Do parents send their children to college?
Yes.
Why do parents send their children to college?
Yes, good. And then pause. And pause. Here it says try to send, but doesn't matter. The same content. It's okay. Especially she's having a difficult time to memorize the whole sentence, so we just shortcut. As long as their sentence is okay. So
Send.
send. Okay. The answer?
Because they want their children to be poor.
They won't.
They don't want their children to be poor.
Okay, then this time please use good start. Yes. Because. Because. Yeah. Okay, your turn. Please answer. Why do parents usually try to send their children to college? Because. Use good start. Because.
Good start.
No. Good. Use good start. Good start in your sentence. In your sentence.
Oh, my own sentence.
Yes. Because.
Because
They want them. They want their children.
They want
Their children to
to
get
get
a good start.
to get a good
Yeah.
start. To get.
Then sometimes students can't guess, so we can just tell them the answer. We don't need to wait.
Get
Get a good start.
a good start.
Yes. Again.
Because they want their children
To get.
to get a good start.
Yes. Again. Repeat the sentence. Because.
Because they want their children to get a good start.
Okay. Again.
Because they want their children to get a good start.
Okay. Again. Last.
Because they want their children to get a good start.
Okay. So vice versa. 5 times. So that while he is speaking, she can listen. While she is speaking, he can listen. So the unloaded, but then the more efficient. Well, sweep stream mentions. Do you know sweep stream? Phenomenon of sweep stream. There's 2 cars, and then like this is car, and then one car is going this, and one car is going this, and then this car can pass easily because of the airflow. This is sweep stream technique. So same things. While he is having a difficult time, he can remember. While he is having a difficult time, he can remember. So this is the advantage of semi-private. But the tuition fee for them is lower. Same efficientness. Okay, next. We have 4 these sentences. But for the first time, I would skip this one. Maybe I would do this tomorrow again for the review and then a new part. Okay. Next topic, in general.
In general.
In general.
In general.
Okay. Question. In general, do the people in your country speak English well?
Yes, in general, people in my country.
The people in
The
my
people
country.
in my country is not speak. Isn't. People, the people.
In general, do the people in your country speak English well?
No, the people speak English well.
In general, do the people in your country speak English well?
In general, isn't. The people isn't.
The people in my country
In general, people in my country
don't.
speak English well.
Okay, ask him. In general,
Do the people
in your country
in your country
speak
speak English well?
No, the people in my country don't speak English well.
Yes, so he made a mistake. The same mistake what she did. So she can remember from his mistake. She made the same mistake as I did. So she can remember it. So good for both of them. Then I ask her again. Okay, in general, do the people in your country speak English well?
In general, people in my country don't speak English.
See, so now she can say it. Although she forgets to say the people. But never mind, because her point now is do or isn't. So we can't teach her at the same time many things. Just focus on one thing. And then after she overcome her weak point, that's the time we can challenge her for the next. Okay? So don't teach many things at the same time, one by one. But at least we have to realize it. Oh, students missed that part, but okay, let's make it. But some teachers don't realize it. Okay, it's good, it's good, it's good. But we have to realize, okay? Okay, then ask him again.
In general, do the people in your country speak English well?
No, the people in my country don't speak English well.
Yeah, see, it's good. It's good, it's improved. But next time, please use topic. What's the topic? In general. Okay, ask him again.
Same question.
Same question.
In general, do the people in your country speak English well?
In general, the people in my country don't speak English well.
Okay, good. で、ちょっとずつレベルがね、上がっていくわ。で、なんか。Okay, next question. In general, what do the people in your country eat for breakfast? Then I just ask them only one time. Usually, we tell all the teachers to ask twice, right? But this semi-private lesson, 2 people, so maybe one time is easy. And then we can ask them as fast as we can. Okay, in general, what do the people in your country eat for breakfast?
In general?
Right. Okay, in general, we don't need to wait for the student that much because I have one more. So I can ask him again so she can listen to me. Okay? In general, what do the people in your country eat for breakfast?
In general, the people in my country eat rice for breakfast.
Okay, good. In general, what do the people in your country eat for breakfast?
In general, the people in my country eat knuckle for breakfast.
Okay, good.